Introducing SMARTtools from Solutionz. Think Swiss Army knife, one sleek, portable tool with many powerful functions. That's SMARTtools, a compact suite of digital tools built to grow your business, deepen relationships, and give back. Let's start with Smart Giving, a fundraising tool leveraging travel by your supporters, because giving matters. We integrate trip planning into the sites and systems that people use every day and make it easier to plan around a specific destination. And proximity matters. Smart Snapshot gives you one place to find everything about you or your products or services. Make your brand unforgettable, as visibility matters. And Bativite is a simple way to invite friends and colleagues that are traveling to an event to book their travel. It is simple, and simply put, efficiency matters. We have a wide range of event features, from sponsorship to an event concierge. We can all agree that time matters when managing events. Getting your calendar organized and planning trips around events is core to Smart Calendar. And clearly, productivity matters. Our Smart Launcher is an extension to Google, trip-enabling key applications and increasing engagement with your network, because retention matters. Smart Branding reduces your brand spending and captivates your audience, because no doubt, your brand matters. With SMARTtools, you don't need more tools, you just need smarter ones. One tool, many uses. This is more than tech, it's about growth, engagement, and giving. Solutionz, the smart tool leader, powered by TravelingToGIVE.